Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. Ngayong araw guys, Today I'm going to teach you on how to fix low alarm of LAE digital control. Ngayong araw guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ayusin ang low alarm ng LAE digital control. I-silence lang natin to guys. We're going to silence this one. Now it's being silenced. This one guys is, I just supply that one with a 220 volts AC, and this sensor here is my evaporator, and this sensor here goes inside is my room sensor, and I let that sensor goes to my mini fridge there. I'll let it go here. Ito guys, ang hawak-hawak ko ay sensor ng LAE at linagay ko lamang dito, at ang nagko-control pa rin dito is thermostat. The one controlling this mini fridge is this thermostat here. The one controlling this mini fridge is this thermostat. I intend to put it there so I can teach you guys on how to deal with low temperature alarm. Nilagay ko lang to guys sa loob para maipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang gagawin nyo just in case na ma-encounter nyo ang low temperature alarm. And take note, the program stored here in LAE digital control is chiller. At tandaan nyo guys, ang naka-program dito sa LAE digital control natin is chiller setting, hindi freezer. At ang ating mini fridge is naka-full siya at nagre-range to guys hanggang -19. So we encountered this issue because of the ALA parameter. It's not being set correctly. Hindi po tama yung program na nakaset sa ALA parameter ng LAE. And how to do that? Ang ganito ang gagawin natin guys. The parameter ALA, it has a close and open parenthesis R, and it has a range of -50 to +120, and it has close and open parenthesis of 0 to +120. This is the range guys for the parameter ALA. At ang ALA guys na parameter ay mayroon siyang range na -50 hanggang 120. So from 0 to +120. At ang function nito guys is meron itong function. Ang function nito is low alarm differential temperature. Now I'm going to clarify first to you that a chiller setting is between 1 degree Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, while for the freezer is between -18 to -21 degrees Celsius. Now if you're going to use, kapag gagamitin nyo guys ang parameter ALA, para ang purpose nito is mag-a-alarm siya kung sakaling yung set point natin na ang lowest set point natin is +1, Once na ito ay bumaba, ngayon ito, lagay ko rito parameter for the ALA. Ang proper nito guys is lagyan lang natin ito ng negative 6. Okay, negative 6. At ang proper naman guys para sa freezer, since ito yung ating lowest, negative 21, lagyan lang natin to guys ng negative 26. Ayan, para dito siya mag-aalarma. Okay, once na hindi tumigil yung compressor natin, the compressor keep on pumping dahil nagka-problema yung ating sensor. Ito, sensor, nagka-problema ang sensor, hindi titigil sa kaandar to at marireach niya yung negative 26. At this time, mag-aalarma ang ating LAE digital control. Same with chiller setting. Ang chiller setting natin, the lowest is positive 1 degree Celsius. At if you're going to use the parameter ALA, you should put a value of negative 6. So just in case the NTC sensor got a problem and the compressor keep on running, upon reaching guys the negative 6 for the chiller, the alarm will trigger and the low temperature alarm appear. Having said that, how to fix low temperature alarm? I intend to do this in order for you to visualize what is happening in low temperature alarm. And I have visitors here. Hey visitors. And to fix this one, take note guys, the stored temperature setting here is chiller, and what is stored for the ALA parameter is negative 6. At ang naka-store dito guys is chiller setting na mayroon tayong range na positive 1 to positive 4 degrees Celsius. At ang parameter natin para sa LA is negative 6. Ngunit dahil ito guys is naka-read tayo ng negative 19, kaya nag-trigger ang low alarm. And to fix that low alarm, we're going to either ilagay natin sa 0. Okay, we're going to access that one. Just press the I and the power button at the same times for 5 seconds. And let's browse for the AL parameter. Okay, here just press that and the value is negative 6. If you want to use the ALA, since this is a freezer, go to negative 26. So just keep on pressing this. Kung gusto nyong gamitin guys ang ALA parameter, baguhin natin yung setting. Gawin nating freezer setting to at ilagay natin yung ALA sa negative 26. Ito, negative 26. Ito. Ganyan ang pag-program ng ALA parameter. So just keep on pressing that one and just go to negative 26. It's over. Up once again. Set. Okay. Then release. Negative 26. Now the ALA parameter is now in freezer. Next thing to do guys is change the setting. Change that to negative 18 to negative 21, and the low alarm will no more bothering you. Ganyan po ang gagawin natin guys, just in case na na-encounter natin to. Either gawin natin 0 just put a 0. Okay, wala na akong pagsusulatan. Here, either you put a 0 for the chiller and 0 also for the freezer if you do not want to use the ALA parameter. But this one, guys, is I suggest to follow my setting. Okay, the purpose, guys, is once the compressor doesn't stop, the people near this unit, for example, this is a commercial refrigerator or walk-in chiller, this one will keep on blinking and send annoying sound, and the people near to this control will call the attention of the technician and they will fix it. Okay, that's the purpose. You're going to protect the compressor from overfreezing. That is the purpose of ALA. Same in my Dixel tutorial. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please follow me, guys, by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I have a new upload video again. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless.